Master man.
But I know nothing.
Your blood clot Bucky Marshall man. Your Uncle Tom. A little baby tell you say your mama too
Look
much.
here. Look here. If me a talk, I don't know when me a talk.
Brother, you know where my talk say, cause you say the man can't fit and the man fit and pay me.
No, but look here.
How many money you top?
Your job is, what's that the money?
No you. Video in bumbo clad put him on Facebook. But slavery, freedom. Freedom. Give me my money, man. Cause me can't come in your yard. But me can't carry your door. You see, say me have somebody. And you tell me say me can't come in your yard. While you in a me car, you don't have no ambition. You shiny batty boy, you don't have no ambition. You in a me car and tell me say me can't come in your yard. So you is so much of a high class. Rasta can't come in your yard, you nasty blood clot you. But I know me carry you the door. Me couldn't get a drink of water for your yard. You are sell out to the black human race. You is a Pope Paul Vatican follower. You are sell out. And you make them tell we about freedom. And don't get it free cause who did have it and you don't want it. Me a Marcus Garvey picking it. Me a Bustamante picking it. Me a Punta Kente picking it. You a bumbo clot, we ain't call it blood clot, Bagawire. Bagawire blood clot pick me you big. You a Bagawire picking it. You little blood clot sell out you. You bought me couldn't come in your yard like me a look boy yard for go. You know see me a do the charity I carry you got your blood clot yard. Me free myself by busting my gun, bumbo hole, you idiot. Me free me bumbo cloud self and what wait for white man for freedom. Where you go, cause me can't take too much of your nastiness, you sell out pussy wall. Hey, if I went me that kill boy, me kick you out and take your $100 like a real robbery. And go on like $1 million me get. Cause you make me know say me can't come at your yard, but I know my blood clot carry you there. If I when me a kill Batty boy, me dust you well. And that me I tell you, you better glad man like me take a pause. Me no mean me top. Me take a pause, bumbo hole, you sell out. But the man can't fit. And the man come and give me good Jamaican money. And you still a mama after the man gone. And the little 8-year-old boy tell you say your mama too much. Your mama man. Yo, tap nice now me bumbo clad car. Here, you think you can trace me like me come out your yard, boy?
You want chase me like that?
I'm lock up your blood clot in this until life and you say you try rap.
You want chase me?
Oh, see what? You know, say me not care, you go no further. Come out of my blood clot.
I feel like Dr. Show, come on.
You sell
I think
out.
I want to go up there.
You sell out. You sell out, black man. You sell out. You can't want a little box of guy in your yard, boy, you get freedom. Put it on him. You can't tell me say you want a little box and you're free. You're free about freedom. You have a little box in your yard, boy, you're free. You have freedom. In a one box, you have freedom. You're going in that box.